So today's episode is a little different. It's a picture of me and my best friend in 1986. His name was Brian. I want to tell you about him. His name is Brian Johnson. He died right after that picture. I've never gotten over it. Not after 1 year, not after 2 years. 40 years this year. In that picture, I was 17 and he was 19. The funny thing is when we first met, we should not have been friends at all. I was 6'4" in high school, 200 pounds, pretty ripped. All county football, captain of the basketball, beat a bada boot or whatever. Kind of the big guy on campus. Brian, 5'7", maybe 140 pounds with the cigarettes in his pocket. Long-haired, greasy motorhead. One day I was walking in the hallway and he bumped into me. And instead of him apologizing or acting a little scared or whatever, he looked right at me and he said, "You keep looking at me like that, you and me gonna have serious problems." I started laughing. I can't tell the story without laughing. I loved that dude immediately. Most people will get afraid of something like that, but he wasn't afraid of anybody, especially not me. He did not care. He would do. Somehow that moment turned into one of the most important relationships of my life, and I grieve it every day. We did everything together. We laughed together, got in trouble together, lived together, talked about our future, plans our future, just like what you do when you're that age, when you live on your own. Honestly, we kind of thought we would live forever. Then one night, a rainy night, 1986, we got drunk. Brian got on his motorcycle and drove to his grandmother's house. I never saw him alive again. He was racing. Urbana, Illinois. He crashed and he died. No helmet. 1 minute he was here, and the next minute he was gone. And people ask, how do you get over something like that? I don't think you do. I don't think some losses are meant to get over. Same with my mother. I think they're meant to be carried. I still visit his grave in Illinois every time I can. You saw the pictures on my fridge, pictures on my work desk, on my phone, the background picture of my phone, and my laptop. I still think about him every day. If I'm being honest, there's still a huge hole in my heart that I visit every day. And there always will be. But over the years, I've learned something. The goal isn't to stop loving the person or people that we've lost. The goal is to keep living a way that honors them. I named my son Brian. Every time I think about my son, I think about Brian. I wanted part of my best friend to keep moving through this world, and it will. And there's days when I think about him, I try to ask myself one question. What would Brian want from me? Would he want me to be miserable? Would he want me to be stuck? Would he want me spending the rest of my life grieving and crying? Or would he want me to laugh and have a better life, to love, to travel, to chase my dreams, and to build a good life? I know the answer. So no, I'm never going to be over losing my best friend. Never. But every day, I try to honor him by living the best life that I possibly can, by being happy, by loving people, helping anyone I can, because that's what he did. Squeezing every drop of life that I have left. And if there's something beyond this world, if he's watching somehow, I hope he knows this. Brian, I'm okay, buddy. I made it. I named my son after you. I never forgot you, buddy. And I still love you. I hope I'm living a life that you can see and be proud of. Please tell my mother I love her. Tell her I said thank you. And thank you for always being there for me. I didn't tell you or my mother that enough when you were alive. Why did I tell you all of that? Because you need to find a way to let go of all that shit that is holding you back and live a life that not only you are proud of, that your friends and family, here and dead, can be proud of. Let that stuff go. If you're starting over like me, please type I'm in so I can see you following along with me, whatever social media that you're watching. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next one.